Hey, what's up you guys? So in this step-by-step training video, I'm going to reveal and I'm going to break down exactly how I made 6 figures for one affiliate marketing company. I'm sure a lot of you guys have heard of this company before. The company is called Legendary Marketer. I'm literally going to show you everything that I did to make them over $100,000 in sales. I'm really excited about this video. I know a lot of you guys have been asking how I've been able to do this, so I'm going to break down everything for you guys in this video. Now, Legendary Marketer guys, I've been able to generate, well over $30,000 in basically the last year, but I've been able to drive them over $100,000 in sales. I want to break down everything for you. If you guys don't know who Legendary Marketer is, this is the program that I kind of started in when I started in digital marketing. The owner is David Sharp. He's done well over $10 million in sales. I've done multiple masterminds for them. I've done multiple speaking engagements for Legendary Marketer. So I want to explain how I've been able to make them over $100,000 in affiliate marketing sales. Now, you're going to learn my whole system today. I'm going to show you my proven funnel, my simple one-page website, my bridge pages, my emails, the traffic, and even more important, what I do after I send traffic. I'm literally going to break down everything that I've done to make them over $100,000 in affiliate marketing sales. I'm going to show you everything step by step. And if you guys stick with me until the end of this video, at the end of this training, I'm going to show you how you can use my exact system for yourself. Guys, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and the main goal of my channel is to help you build a passive income business so you can achieve financial freedom. Now, I make videos almost every single day on how to make money online, how to do affiliate marketing, how to get traffic using YouTube, TikTok, but I have a ton of videos. I have a ton of ways that you can make money, but the main goal is to teach you how I built a passive income business with affiliate marketing. So if you guys want to learn more, please subscribe and let's go and get started. All right, guys. So number one, okay, I knew the problem the product solved. Okay, you have to know what the problem solves. So basically, what I recommend is you buy the product. That's literally what I would do if you had no idea. But if you didn't want to buy the product, go on the website, look at reviews, really know what the problem or what the product solves, right? Know the problem that the product solves, and that's really going to help you as you start creating content. And I'll show you kind of what I did to, get these $100,000 in sales, okay? So I'm just going to go to the Legendary Marketer website and I'm just going to kind of read up on it, right? What is this program and what problem does it solve, right? So if I go on the website, it says, learn the necessary personal, business, and marketing skills to thrive with confidence in an ever-changing and highly competitive online marketplace, okay? So it looks like they're, just by reading this, that they're teaching people marketing skills, right? Maybe not necessarily affiliate marketing, but how to be a digital marketer in general, right? So, you kind of look and see what type of products they have, the 15-day challenge, basically how you can start a business and earning money online. Now, I will tell you just from experience, this is going to be how to start just a general business online, not really affiliate marketing, but, they do have affiliate marketing segments in here, but they kind of talk just in general how to build an online business. So I just know that from experience, okay? So, what I like to do is just know the product, right? Know the product, the problem it solves, and that way we can start marketing to the right people, okay? If we know this, it becomes really easy to actually make sales for this product. Now, I'm going to come back to this, when we get to the traffic part, but let's go to step number 2. Now, I do want to show you guys something kind of cool, okay? So as I started creating content, as I started creating YouTube videos and TikToks, I started getting a ton of emails. I mean, look at this, guys. Email after email after email. You've earned a commission. You've earned a commission. You've earned a commission. You've earned a commission. It just goes on and on and on. And this is this was my dream, right? To be able to get passive income on the daily. So I want to show you exactly how I've been able to do this with no ads at all. I didn't spend a dime on ads, okay? Now, I do run ads now because I have some money to spend. But in the beginning, I don't even recommend that you run ads because you're going to kind of waste your money if you don't know what you're doing. So I'll explain what I'm doing here, okay? Now, then step number 2 is the landing page, right? So if you guys have gone through any of my trainings, any of my YouTube videos, if you've gone through my courses, you know that you have to build an email list. That's the most important thing in your online business, in your affiliate marketing business, is building that email list. Now, I do this with a landing page, right? Before I send them to the actual product, to the offer, I send them to a landing page, which is my page that I own, but the main goal is for me to build up an email list. So this is my landing page here, okay? People go here and basically I say, hey, learn exactly how I built a $10,000 per month business selling other people's stuff, right? This is my page. This is my results. So, I'm going to show them how I've been able to do this, right? So this is my page here. Now, the main goal of this page is to build my email list, right? So what I'm doing here is I just want people to enter their email. Once people enter their email, then I can send them to the offer, right? That's the next goal. Now, what you can do is just go from the opt-in page here straight to the offer. But what I do is a little bit different, okay? I have something called a bridge page. Now, a bridge page is something really important that I recommend for any affiliate marketer trying to get a lot more sales, okay? Because what happens here is you got to understand, okay? You're driving traffic to this bridge page, this landing page. And from here, you're going to send them straight to a sales page. So what I like to do is basically bridge them from my authority to their authority, okay? And this is the main goal inside an affiliate marketing business, right? So from here, they're gonna go straight to this bridge page where I'm like, it's like a quick 2-minute video and I'm just like, hey guys, my name's Jonathan, this is a little bit about me. And then I say, hey, in this next upcoming video, I'm gonna give you, I'm gonna let David talk about this opportunity, right? So whatever, the 15-day challenge, that's basically what I'm selling here. So I give David the authority and I kind of bridge them from me to the product I'm selling, okay? So basically from here, people click here, the next step, then it makes sense, right? Instead of going from the opt-in page straight to, here, I have that bridge page. This is kind of bridging them to, the next sales page. Okay. So this is basically what I'm doing here. Okay. Very, very simple video here. You can go check this out if you want, but basically all I'm doing here is giving authority, transferring authority from me to, the product I'm selling, right? So that's the main thing that I wanted to explain here, okay, is that bridge page. Now, the next part is the email sequence, right? Most people are going to get to this sales page, you're going to watch it, and maybe they're not going to buy, okay? Maybe they're not going to buy for whatever reason. Typically, if you have, if you're driving really targeted traffic, you'll get about 5 to 10% sales is about what I get, okay? So if I send 100 people to this page, I'll get about 5 to 10 people to buy, all right? That's typically what I get. If you're a better marketer, you might get more. If you're not, if you're just starting out, you might get 1 to 3%. It just really depends on, your experience, right? But basically, you still want to build an email list, right? So the next goal is build out this email sequence. Now, this is my sequence here. It's a massive sequence. I've been able to basically create almost 100 days worth of emails. Now, what I like to do here is send them back to this page here, right? Send them back to this page. Hey, maybe they didn't watch it. Maybe, they didn't get a chance to buy. So then, I give them some value. I tell them a story and then I get them here. Okay. Now I'm not always sending them here. As an affiliate marketer, you can send them other products, right? So, for me, I was sending them to other products, maybe the One Funnel Away Challenge, other products that may be able to help them. Maybe they didn't care to buy this product, but maybe they want to buy another product, right? So that's how I'm making more money, more sales is, I have one way that people get into my email list, but once they're on my email list, then I go ahead and say, hey, here's this product, here's this product, here's this product. So like I have multiple products that they can buy, right? That's the power of affiliate marketing. You're not only selling that one product, right? I mean, you can use that one product to get people on your email list, but from here, this is where you really want to get people to buy your other products. And this is how you really get to that 6-figure mark, so with affiliate marketing. But anyways, so your email sequence is very, very, powerful. Okay. A lot of people are not going to buy that first time around. So your email list is going to be critical and you have to have a very, very good email follow-up sequence. Okay. You can see here, I've built this out over the last, basically the last 6 to 8 months. is this email follow-up sequence. A ton of emails, right? Like literally the first 6 days is 2 emails a day. And if people go ahead and unsubscribe, that's perfectly okay. I'm okay with that, because if they're not going to open my emails the first 6 days, then I don't even want them on my list. Okay, so the email list is critical. Okay, and this is kind of how I build it out. Now the next part is the traffic, right? How did I do this without any ads? I didn't do YouTube ads. I didn't do Facebook ads. How did I drive $100,000 in sales without any ads? Okay, and I want to show you something really cool. Okay, this is my YouTube analytics. Okay, this is in 2019. This is kind of when I blew up. This is how I went from 0 to 6 figures. I started my business here. Okay, you can see my first video. I started my business here in May. I think it was May 15th. I did my first video. Okay, now you can see here it slowly grew. Okay, it slowly grew. Okay, it's kind of an exponential curve, and this grew, right? But I was able to start driving more traffic to this page, right? The main goal for me was get people to this page. Now, I'm going to just kind of talk about the content I created. In this video. Okay, sorry. So I'm going to talk about the content I created, leading up to getting people to this page, right? I knew the problem, right? Remember, step number 1 is know the problem the product solves, okay? I knew what people were searching into YouTube. I knew what people were, looking to do. People were looking to start an online business, but they had no idea where to start, right? So I would make videos like, how to start an online business. Let's see, for beginners, right? So I can go ahead and make a YouTube video on this. So that's what I would do. I would go and find these search terms that people were searching. I would make content on this, right? And this is very powerful, guys, because with YouTube, you can get people to watch your videos for years and years to come, right? So for example, I can create a video on YouTube, and that's digital real estate, guys. It's literally like I'm making this content and I'm still getting, hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of views every single hour. Like, that's no joke. I get so much, I drive so much traffic from YouTube, and I'm not even a big channel, right? I only have 11,000 subscribers. I was able to do this with, under 1,000 subscribers, right? I've obviously grown from then, but what I'm saying is YouTube is very, very powerful. Okay, so the thing was, I knew the problem the product solved. Okay, that's very, very important. If you know the problem the product solves, then it makes it really easy to drive traffic and understand what people are typing in. Okay, you can see the type of content I create. I'm helping people make money online. I'm giving them ways to drive traffic. I'm giving them ways that, how they can make money with affiliate marketing, how they can start an online business. I'm literally giving them everything they need just with my free content. And then from there, I'm driving them to this sales page. Okay. Now that's one way I did it. Another way is with TikTok. Okay. TikTok is one way I've been able to drive a massive amount of traffic, guys. TikTok has literally been, it's insane. Okay. And this is something that, I recommend that you do if you're just starting out, because you can grow a following extremely fast. Okay. This is one of my profiles here. I've been able to grow it to 74,000 followers. I have another one here that this is kind of my test account, just to show you. Let me show you this one here, okay? Freedom. This is a test account I started. See if I can find it here. Yeah, this is another test account I started here, and this one I was able to grow to over 2,000 followers in the last just few months. And this is just, like I said, my test account. I just send, I randomly throw videos every once in a while. But what I'm saying is I was able to grow a following of 2,000 people by barely even trying, okay? And this is really, really powerful, because you can build a massive audience using TikTok, okay? So I recommend YouTube as the long-term strategy, but TikTok is going to be what I recommend for your short-term strategy if you're looking to kind of get that fast traffic and you're looking to get people in your business a lot faster, okay? Okay, so the traffic, okay? Either TikTok or YouTube is what I would recommend, if you're just starting out. Either way, okay? YouTube's the long-term, because this is how you're going to get traffic for life. This is how you get that passive traffic, okay? All right, step number 6, and this is something I haven't really talked about, is nurturing, okay? Once people are in my email list, I don't only send them offers every day, okay? I send them free stuff all the time, okay? I send them maybe free books. I send them to my YouTube, to my YouTube channel, my Facebook group. So what I'm saying is, I don't just send them, like if I go back here, I'm not just sending them, offer, okay? I'm not just sending them offer all the time, okay? Because if you always send them offer, they're really not going to open your emails anymore. So what I like to do is like, you know, do like a value offer, okay? And then repeat, okay? So value offer and then repeat, okay? And that's kind of what I do in my email sequence. Okay, this is kind of how I nurture my people. Now, with value, you know, maybe you can send them to your Facebook group, right? Maybe you can send them to your Facebook group. Maybe you can send them to one of your YouTube videos where you're giving them a free tip. And that's what I like to do in my email sequence. Is nurture my people. Okay, so it's kind of part of step 4, but I kind of want to talk about how I nurture them and, you know, why I do that, because it keeps people engaged and I build this relationship of know, like, and trust. So when I release a new product, when I you know, have a new product I want to promote, they know, like, and trust me because I've nurtured them and they know my brand. Okay, so this is very, very important in how I've been able to grow such a strong brand in a short amount of time. You know, I started my business back in 2019. So anyways, guys, now I did mention how you can get this whole system, you know, this exact system done for you. And I'm going to explain that here in a bit, but I want to show you something. Okay. Before I started my business, I literally had negative $1,229 in the bank. Okay. Now I'm going to prove to you guys that this is real. Okay. Because this is my bank account here and you can see, let me just show you. Okay. This is May 10th, 2019. Okay, I had negative $1,229 in the bank, which sucked. Okay, this really sucked. You know, my mortgage came out. I went negative in the bank, but literally 5 days later, I had a couple days where I felt sorry for myself. But of course, you know, like I had to do something, right? It's either fall down and quit or do something about it. So 5 days later, May 15th, 2019. Which is not very long ago, guys. I mean, I started my first business with affiliate marketing. This is my first video here. You can go check my YouTube channel. This is literally my first video. And from here, guys, you know, I think 9-10 months later, I literally just quit my job. I quit my electrical engineering job. I hated it, to be honest. Like, I was making decent money with it, but honestly, I just wasn't happy there. And I just wanted the freedom to be with my family. We had just found out we were pregnant and, you know, we were having a little girl and, you know, I just really wanted to be there for my wife, for my daughter. And, yeah, this is my story, guys. This is how I literally went from negative $1,200 in the bank to, you know, making a 6-figure business for myself and for other businesses, right? Not only have I been able to make 6 figures for myself in this business, but you know, for other companies as well. And that's because I've been able to build a affiliate marketing business. Now, I want to show you how you can get my exact proven system, and I'm going to leave a link to that down below. But let me just kind of explain what this is, okay? This is something that I've been working on for the last 6 months, okay? There's a lot of programs out there, a lot of great programs, but I've spent over $40,000 in multiple programs, multiple masterminds, multiple coaches. So I created something that I think it's going to blow the marketplace away. And I mean, you can go look at the testimonials, but guys, this is called Freedom Breakthrough. If you guys want to check this out, like I said, I'm going to leave a link down below if you guys want to learn more. But this is literally everything that I went through, or this is my whole blueprint that took me from negative $1,200 in the bank to making 6 figures, okay? Literally everything that I've been able to do. Not only that, okay? Not only you're going to get my whole blueprint system, I also brought on some super affiliates, okay? I brought on Nathan Lucas to show you, you know, how to get on the top of Google, right? And I literally show you from beginning to end as a complete beginner with no experience, no products, how to do what I've been able to do, right? Like I said, I started out as a complete beginner as well. And now I've been able to build this, you know, fairly big business. Like, I mean, in a short amount of time, right? So, you know, I'm not a 7-figure earner like maybe Nathan Lucas, but he's been doing this for, you know, well over, I think, 5 years, right? So of course I'm going to get to that 7-figure mark if I follow this exact blueprint. But guys, what I'm saying here is, check this out, okay? I have Nathan Lucas on here. I have, you know, exactly how to do this, right? Step by step by step, module by module. I bring on super affiliates like Joshua Ong. He's been able to build a 6-figure business just with Facebook, okay? So I'm bringing on experts as well, okay? So check this out. I got experts. I show you how to get free YouTube traffic. I show you how to get free TikTok traffic. Everything, guys. Like, I bring on 4 experts, 4 affiliate marketers, super affiliates as well. So if you guys want to learn more, please click the link down below and you're going to learn more about Freedom Breakthrough. I think this is going to blow you guys away. Like, seriously, this is something that, you know, I've been basically last 6 months, I've been putting my head down and creating this for you guys because I know you guys need this to be able to do what I've been able to do. And this is literally, I've laid out everything for you guys step by step. So you don't have to spend $40,000 in courses like I did. So anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value to you guys. And hopefully this will help you in your affiliate marketing business. If you're not sure where to go, click that first link down below. It'll take you to this training here where I'm going to show you exactly how I did this. So we'll see you soon and God bless.